What's up, guys? Today I made up a thing, and if this can become real, it's called dot. There's a lot of modes, like you know how there's plus, minus, and other stuff. Well, this is how dot works. So you see this 10, and you put dot and 10 again, and it equals 1010 because it's combining the two numbers into that order. So this is how it is. So 10 with the 10, it can equal that way because the guide of it is me. I put it there with another way, and you can combine them by putting here in the math equation. This might be hard for the equation to go on, so yeah. And I also got another one, it's called plussing up. So this is only working not for the other important stuff, like only the hundreds, the tens, the ones. You can put it for the thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. So this is how it's gonna work too, right? So you get 2 with here, and it also has different shapes on different modes of it. So 2, 1, it will switch. Okay, no, that's a different one. It will do it. It will put the other number with it, and then it adds that for that number, so it can be 31. And also, if you're doing it for this side, then we can put. Boom. There's also minus up. It's really confusing when you know it, but it looks kind of funny with the shape. So it's this. It looks like a flag, but it's only working for the hundreds and thousands. So yeah, hold up, I'm gonna show you this. So here, you see this, then you can put 100 in there, but here's the confusing part. It switches up into the area, so it switches 100, 200, 2000, I mean. It goes where 100's at, and 100 goes where 2000's at, so it'll be this number. But it's really confusing when you're doing it. It's like kind of mind dead, but if you're doing it in the easier way, then do this. Okay, so then you can put this. And I hope other teachers can see this video, because I want to show it off to America or South Carolina. I want to make it special for my plus thing and my dot. There's also another way, a deep way, and it's also called the Weizen. The Weizen is a easy way. It's very easy to do. It's kind of getting complicated, but it's that easy. So 12, and then you can put any other number, then that will equal as, so this number will go to this number, it will switch up, and then even this one will switch to 21. So yeah, and also it's still going to be 11 because it's still the same number. So it's going to be 21, and then 11 will put that as 21, but you will put that number to put that up as 22, and also we'll put that number as 23. So that will be 23 into the quarter mass. And I hope I can show this off to my teacher. So I like sharing it to my teacher. I like showing it to my friends, my family, and all that type of. really cool when I show it off to people. So if you want to do Oatmealt, yes, that's a weird name, but it's really good. It's a circle in the circle, so it's this. So this is how it's gonna work. So we had to slice that number, but don't worry, we put that in what number it's next to, but it's the same thing as divising, but way different, because you'll get the key catch. So this, it's gonna go to 2 up into it. But hold up, let me fix my eraser because I put it up like, yeah. So it puts that, and boom, it goes to 21. But this number just stays there in its own spot. It does not move. It only moves of its neighbors going into this side because it's holding still. And also, it's really that good to do it. So, yeah, it will equal as 21, but don't worry, we can help the 2. So we put the 2 after them 2. So we put it as this, so we can help to division up the problem and help it up. So yeah, it's that easy for you to show off. So if my teacher shows us off to the class, thank you to appreciate my teacher. Very welcome for it. So this is going to be called as this. It's called multiplying. So multiplying is where one and another number that's after it, it will put it where it's going, so it can add another line into that thing, but it'll make the line larger. So we put somewhere else, as we put the plus into the 2, we take its other number, okay? We take its other number, and then we put it here. So then that'll be known as 1 plus dot, and then it'll equal as 12, because it's putting the math problem, where it can go into the divided of the Quavius, so it can make it more easier. And there's a lot of modes to do when you're doing this. It's a very easy work. So now we got line up. Line up is a not that easy. So it puts a plus and with a minus, and then it will put a random number that it wants it to be. So 1 and 2. Get with me? Then this will be erased because it turns to 1. And then this will go to that number, so it can go to 2. Then that will equal as 2 because it's putting the mass problem. So if you want to do another one, I can show you. And we can go back to it again. So let's do 100 dot. So yeah, let's get to it. So we can do our thing again. Boom, boom. Then we can put a 100 in the thing, but we have to put our minus and our plus in that thing. And then, boom, we had to put a circle to it, so it can make it way easier for testing problems. So then we put 100 in there, and then we put in here, and then we put that, and then we take away the 0, so we can add it to we take away the 2 zeros, and then we put them and then we add up to a 1. So we put it as a 1 here, but if we take away the other one, a whole half, that would be 100. Because we're taking the whole thing, so it could be 200. So this is all the modes, and hopefully my teacher can see all of this. It's gonna be very good and very amazing. So some of my student, or no, not my, I'm not the teacher. I'm literally 8. No. No, I'm actually 12. No, I'm 13. I did not mean to put out my real age. I'm very sorry. I accidentally. Okay, let it slide. I know, but I am not sure if Meta broke the law of everyone can leave a 5-year-old alone or an 8-year-old alone because they're underage 13. Probably Mark broke the rule off, and then it's free for everyone. He probably, because that whole thing happened in February, January, March. I don't know where it happened. It happened in 2022. So yeah, but goodbye everyone. Nice.